what is CMMC really? You've probably heard CMMC through the word cyber, and that makes sense. Cyber is part of the work. So let's say the whole of it plainly. CMMC stands for Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification. Strip the name down, and here's what it actually is. It's the Defense Department's way of checking that a supplier protects the defense information it handles, the drawings, the specs, the contract data, and the systems and habits around that work. It's information security for defense work. That includes cyber discipline, physical discipline, and the everyday operating discipline that keeps controlled work protected and visible. The reason it can feel foreign is that the name points at one part cyber, when the work is actually broader. You already protect things that matter in your shop. This asks you to show how. You won't sort it all out in one video, but if you walk away knowing it's about protecting the work, not memorizing a standard, you have the right starting point. Want the honest version in depth? The prologue and first 5 chapters are free to read on our site. Start there, then run the diagnostic at qualifiedcapacity.com/diagnostic.